Hi children, welcome back in our online English classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep on the videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous video we have started the lesson Inkilab Zindabad from Unit 5, 5.2, and we have finished some lesson and some parts remain. So let's see the next part, what happened. We have seen in previous video that at the age of 12, Bhagat Singh experienced the incident of Jallianwala Bagh. Its General Dyer was there and he sent 50 riflemen and give permission to shoot on the people. Near about 20,000 people were gathered in Jallianwala Bagh for a public meeting. There were men, women and children also. Near about 1,000 people were killed there and 1,500 were wounded. So Bhagat Singh decided to take revenge from these cruel British rulers. So we have seen after completing his school education, he went to National College as Lahore, and there he got some new friends having same thinking. In 1928, his parents pressed him to get married, but Bhagat Singh's reply was there that I won't get married in this slave country, so it is better to marry with death. Now let's see. And he went to Kanpur and joined Naujawan Bharat Sabha. In 1928, he came into contact with another famous revolutionary named Chandrasekhar Azad. In the same year, the British government of India appointed Simon Commission to find out if India should be given any freedom to rule itself. But this commission had no Indian representative, so there were great protests against this commission. In one of these protests at Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai was injured in lathi charge and later he died because of his injuries. To avenge Lala's death, Bhagat Singh decided to kill General Scott, who was responsible for it. But Bhagat Singh mistook one Saunders for Scott and shot at him. He went underground because General Scott was still alive. So students, in 1928, now Bhagat Singh joined Naujawan Bharat Sabha. This is one organization who fought against British. In the same year, in 1928, British government sent Simon Commission to India. So students, what is commission? It is official group of people and they have responsibility to do something. So this Simon Commission was sent to India to see or to decide whether India should be free to rule itself. Okay. To find out India should be given any freedom to rule itself or not. But what was there in that Simon Commission? There were all the members were British only. No one was Indian. So how can they give decision in the favor of India? So for this, Indian people were not happy. So there were great protests against this commission. And in one of these protests at Lahore, British were doing lathi charge and in this Lati charge, our great leader Lala Lajpat Rai ji got injured. And after some days, due to these injuries, he got dead. Okay, he died. So students, Bhagat Singh wanted to take revenge of Lala Lajpat Rai's death. So he decided to kill General Scott. Now before this we have seen when Jallianwala Bagh incident happened. At that time there was General Dyer, and for Simon Commission General Scott is there. So General Scott was responsible for this incident. So Bhagat Singh mistook one Saunders for Scott and shot at him, but mistakenly that General Scott missed this shot and he still alive. So Bhagat Singh went underground because General Scott was still alive. So on April 8, 1929, Bhagat Singh threw a bomb in the assembly hall. Okay. So what happened? 8 April 1929, Bhagat Singh threw a bomb in the British Assembly Hall and courted arrest. So here court given order to arrest Bhagat Singh. Okay, and he himself arrested. During his trial, Bhagat Singh said, "We dropped the bomb on the floor because our sole purpose was to make the deed here." So why we dropped this bomb? We want, our sole purpose is that these people should hear us. Means the people who are not thinking about country, or the cruel British ruler should listen us, they should understand our feelings. That's why we have thrown this bomb. There was a long trial, and at last on 10 July 1929, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were awarded death sentence. And they were hanged on March 23, 1931. Okay. So students, last paragraph is here. Bhagat Singh, the legendary son of Mother India. So what is meant by legendary? Very famous, and we talk too much about him. So Bhagat Singh, son of Mother India, became Shaheed-e-Azam, the great martyr. Okay, and when he was just 23, his famous slogan of Inqilab Zindabad still lives on. So this slogan, Inqilab Zindabad, was told by Bhagat Singh. So we never can forget him. Students, I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.